today's video, I will be doing two paintings. The first one I'll be using my swipe tools, and the second one I'll be using my mini leaf blower attachment. So stick around and check it out. Hey everybody, I'm just going to jump in and get started. I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas, and I'm going to be using my swipe tools. They come in a set of 4, but I'm just going to be using the small ones today. So the colors I'm using, I've got Anita's Metallic White, I've got Pebeo Iridescent Copper, Iridescent Precious Gold, and Iridescent Gold, and also Iridescent Blue Black. And then from Amsterdam, I'm going to be using Paynes Gray. So some of my paints are mixed a little different. The ones that I am putting down the middle here are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I've changed my recipe up just a bit. It's 50% Liquitex pouring medium, 40% Floetrol, and 10% water. And now the Anita's white that I'm using is mixed with Floetrol and water only. I'm not exactly sure why I did that, other than it may help with the cell development when I do the swipe. And I'll actually be dipping my swipe tools into my cell activator, which is Amsterdam Paynes Gray. And the way that I mix that is Floetrol only. That is 1 teaspoon of the Paynes Gray with 3 tablespoons of the Floetrol. So there's several different factors that come into play here with the cell development, but you can see that it's working very nicely. The swipe tools are super flexible, and it just helps to create the super cool swipes. And I also want to mention too that different paint densities will help in the creation of cells as well. The more dense paints will push down and cause the lesser dense paints to rise to the top, and that will create natural cells. Alright, so I'm just going to let you guys finish watching this, and I'll be back for the dried photos. Alright, so here we go with the dried photos, and I absolutely love this. I love everything about it. I love the design of it. I love the colors. The Pebeo iridescents are beautiful. That blue black is one of my favorites. And if you guys are looking for a nice bright gold, both of the iridescent, the precious gold and the regular gold are just super bright, and the copper is super bright and pretty as well. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below, and don't forget, I have another painting coming up, so stay tuned. Alright everybody, so here we go with the second painting, and I'm just going to work on a small hexagon canvas. I'm using my little mini leaf blower attachment today. For those of you that don't know, that are maybe new to my channel, I have designed and created the mini leaf blower attachment as well as my swipe tools, and I also have 3D printed cups, split cups as well. So go ahead and check out my Etsy shop. The link is in the description. So for this painting, I'm just going to be using the leftover colors that I had from the first one, and I'm just going to be doing a little bloom blowout, I guess, if you want to call it that. We're going to see what happens. I do have this on my cake turntable to make it a little bit easier. So I am just going to let you guys watch this, enjoy the music, and I will be back in a jiff. Alright guys, so here we go with the dried photos, and this one turned out amazing. Look at all the detail. You could see when I was using the mini leaf blower attachment how easy it blew the paint to create the different detail that I got. I love it. Again, I love this color combination. The Pebeo iridescent paints are just gorgeous. I would love to hear your thoughts, so leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and don't forget to share this video if there's someone that you think may enjoy it. And I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I'll catch you in the next one.